I always feel like Euphigenia Doubtfire when I say that. Wasn't that her name? Mrs. Doubtfire. Anyways, or Robin Williams, as we like to call him. Miss that dude. So, Monday. Here we are. Spring break is over. Spring break has sprung. Everybody's back in school. Back to a regular schedule. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of miss having the kids here during the day. I miss the ability to sleep in just a little bit. Not have to get up and have a kid out of the house and drive them to school by 6:30 in the morning. But, you know, she's got her license coming in, so that should be a thing of the past within the next, well, by school time next year. So let's peep out what's happening today, because I have got no clue, honestly. Let's see. Let's pull up that daily chart. Where's that thing? Here it is. Okay. This is interesting. So it's pulled down just like we anticipated, right to the crossover. Beautiful point, right? Well above the zero line, expected to go up. What I'm looking at is that we've had a fairly strong push up in the price. MACDs have not reflected that. These are showing some major potential for divergence. So let's see here. Where's some areas where this could possibly happen? Maybe up here. We're already in this area right now. And the final one is up here. So, it's very interesting. Just looking at how weak these look how strong they were when they came down. Look how weak they are going up. That's a pretty good signal that this isn't going to have a lot of strength. But in the same breath, the whole thing, you know, you had a strong move up and then it kind of died out to the downside. It picked up. In the whole scheme of things, this isn't a huge move down. Look at this big move up. So, you know, just going with the flow is what's going to be important. If we move to our 10,946, we can see that the market has continued to try and move up, but it sure has been struggling to get past this area. MACDs are showing strength down above the zero line with some weak EMAs to the upside on our trading chart. And our 233, you know, we kind of wait to see what's going to happen there. It looks like it's really slowed down quite a bit. So with the snapback that we're having right now and the strength of the MACD is down, I would anticipate this to push down. Possibly back even into the areas that have created a bounce prior. Yeah. Definitely set up for a short right now. 10 minutes before market opens. But we're just gonna give it a bit. I may come back in about 20 minutes. I'm gonna go make coffee, grab a little bit of breakfast, and come back to this. I'm just coming back to say, nope. Oh, my initial thought process was super way wrong. Check this out. You ready for this? A boom. It just shot right up. Okay. I'm 40 minutes into this. I can't get myself to pull the trigger today. I don't know if it's because it's the first Monday back after spring break and I had to be up super early. I am tired, so I may just kind of close my eyes for 20 minutes or so and come back to it. I have a few things just kind of roaming through my brain. Just let me take care of some things. Maybe I'll shoot back to this afternoon and, you know, add on, see what's going on. But otherwise, I think it's kind of a lost cause for me at the moment. sure if that was an impatience thing. That strength down on the 233, so it was probably going to pull back and hit that. There we go. Glorious close. Let it take this one out if it pulls back here. There we go. If it pops back here and touches this, I'm going to let it take me out. There we go. This is starting to show a pretty strong bar down. We came off of some divergence finally on the 233. There's some distance to travel back here. We're struggling to break above the 0 line. We're struggling to break back above this area. So even though I have high hopes of it going up, what's probably going to happen is it's going to pull back into this spot, if anything, and then continue up. You can see I would have already been stopped out had I stayed in it. Yeah, so maybe seeing something similar along the lines of this, where it pulls back again into the area and then pops up, or hell, it may go from here. Guys, all I can tell you is nope, no more today for me. Just not. I have 2.5 hours on the books of trading. I have 4.5 points. It's definitely not my best day. I mean, what are you gonna do? I got 5 trades, 2 losses, 3 wins. 1 is a 1-tick win. Well, 2 ticks because it's 2 contracts. Maybe it's because it's Monday and we're just coming back from spring break, and I wish I could have slept all day today. But I think that's going to wrap it up. I'm done. I'm tired. That's way longer than I normally trade. It's definitely a day of not really listening to myself. So yeah. Okay, well, you know what you're gonna do. I didn't feel great. My knee, can I give you all my excuses? My knee hurts, my hip hurts. I didn't feel good. I had to get up early. My dad told me he had an oncology appointment today. I just, you know, there's all kinds of excuses that I can give you for why I did or didn't do well. But really, it's up here. I wasn't fully in the game, and I mean, you know, what you gonna do? 5 trades, 4.5 points. It's better than a kick in the teeth, you know? It's better than walking away with a lot of regrets in what I've done. So I'm done. There's a lot of editing to go on this one because there's a lot of blank space. But I hope everybody has a fabulous Monday. I guess every day I can't be just like this happy, peppy-go-lucky. I try, guys. I really try, but today's just not the day. Today is not the day. So we're going to shut this down. Oh, and I'm going to take care of some other things. So I hope everybody has a wonderful Monday, you know. It's just another manic Monday. Oh, yo. I'm gonna cut this part out. Yeah, so I hope everybody has a great Monday. And, you know, look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side.